Today we're going to try for a rough hair slash fur brush. Just something a little open, a little spiky. So what I'm going to do, we've got the standard square canvas, and let's start up the background color here. We're going to make that black, and for our brush color, we're going to go all the way up here to white, and we want to mirror our canvas. So we're going to go to Canvas, Drawing Guide, Edit Drawing Guide. We're going to go to Symmetry. Let's change the color all the way here to white and give that a done. And this way we can meet in the middle. And you can see how well that's going to work. I'm using the technical pen under inking, and I have it set for 40%. So let's go with a squiggly line that goes like that. Maybe a little bit flatter in the middle. Okay. Maybe a short one over here. And I definitely want them to meet in the middle there. But we can have them crossing over each other if we want. There we go. All right, so that's a nice texture going on, I think. Yeah. And basically, that's all we need to do. So let's make sure that our snapping, the magnetics is off. There we go. And then we're going to do a fit to canvas. We're going to copy layer 1. We're going to click the plus sign for layer 2, turn off layer 1, and let's go to the hair and fur, and we're going to start up a new brush. We will leave the spacing at 17%. Let's go into Shape, Edit, Import, and Paste. And we'll click on Done. Let's do a follow stroke on the rotation here. And then because I want it to flip left to right, right to left, give it a little bit more variety, let's flip X. All right, for the rendering, let's go down to Heavy Glaze. And for color dynamics, let's give it a lightness of 20, a darkness of 25, and a secondary color of 50. And then, let's see, Apple Pencil, we want to turn this opacity all the way off. So we'll just drag that dot all the way down until it says none. Under Properties here, turn off Orient to Screen. Let's set the maximum size to 400. And click on Done there. And that's not too bad. Let's change our secondary color to a dark gray. Oh yeah, see, this would be good for drawing a beard or a mustache maybe. Let's reduce the size. Oh yeah. And I'd be willing to bet that you can even go outside the box. Let's choose a pale yellow there and kind of a tannish color here. And look, it's a grass skirt. Not bad at all. Grass skirt, thatched roof. Some blonde hair with a little mess at the end there. I'll clear that. And for some reason, the brush starts off vertical and then it follows. I hope they fix that someday. And we're going to call this one Rough Hare. And create a reset point. But then we're going to duplicate Rough Hare. Let's go to the shape. We'll do an edit. And let's turn this on its side. Just using 2 fingers to spin that around. Give that a done. Give that a done. And you can see you get a nice rough texture there. And then let's go back to the rough hair. So you could draw an animal that has spiky top fur and a flowing tummy fur. That would be very nice, I think. Let's see what we can do with this. It took me less than 18 minutes to make 2 brushes and figure out how to use them. That's not bad at all. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a lovely, wonderful day.